All right, everyone, we're here at Raskin today. We're going to be introducing the new PetrolWorks E36 and E46 lower control arms, also known as camber arms. I actually have the prototype ones on my car right now. So we're going to be taking those off and kind of going into depth of what we changed from the prototypes and now the final product. I do recommend dropping the diff for the easiest install. Some of the bolts are kind of hard from the subframe, and it gives you more access and clearance. All right, so first off, I went from an aluminum misalignment spacer for these Heims to a stainless steel spacer to ensure longevity. And not only did I change the stainless steel Heim spacers, I also went with a FK rod end. It is actually chromoly coated. So it is very stiff Teflon inserted rod end. So it ensures that you're not gonna get any excess movement, and it ensures that it stays put. It's also easy to adjust. Along with the stainless Heim spacers, misalignment spacers, we actually made stainless steel inserts into the clevis. So no matter how tight that bolt is or on impact, it's not gonna rip out of that. The breaking point on these is actually the bolt that goes through it. We put a bolt through one side and made a low profile washer and nut. We made a low profile nut inside of there to avoid threading into straight aluminum. So the breaking point is that bolt, but the stainless steel inserts also help from any vibrations and keeping the bolt in place. All right, so now that we got both camber arms installed now, I just wanted to show you guys the adjustment. So as you know, this is a left-hand thread into the subframe, and this is just a normal right hand. So very easy adjustment to get your perfect camber settings you want and minimal vibration or any movement. So that's about it. All right, so that's about it. We just finished up installing these. As you can see, a pretty straightforward install, fairly smooth. Now we have zero movements or any extra play. And not only that, they look good. So make sure to get yours. Link will be in the description, and thank you for watching. And shout out Damien. What's up, Matt?